everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
So let's move towards the topic that is parathyroid hormone. As we have already discussed about parathyroid gland, and as we know that parathyroid gland releases parathyroid hormone and some other hormone as well, which controls calcium level in the blood, and also it will control the phosphate level in the blood by regulating the secretion, by regulating the bone, intestine and kidney. So we will discuss the bone in detail because there is a detailed topic regarding bone. So first of all, remember this point. Like I said, parathyroid hormone controlling the calcium level in the blood. So if there is increased amount of parathyroid hormone, the level in the blood, the level of calcium in the blood will be increased, that is hypercalcemia. And if there will be low amount of calcium in the blood, there will be if there will be low amount of parathyroid hormone, there will be low amount of calcium level in the blood, that means hypocalcemia. Okay, now what is the effect of the parathyroid hormone on the bone? Basically there are two effects, rapid phase and slow phase. Now rapid phase, like the name indicate, it will occur in few hours, and slow phase will occur in few days or a few weeks. But rapid phase, in rapid phase, osteocytes and osteoblasts will perform the rapid phase, and osteoclast will perform the slow phase. Now what is osteocyte, what is osteoblast? I will tell you. Osteocytes are basically the normal bone cells. Osteoblast, B for blast, they will build the bone cells. Okay, they will produce the bone cells, that is osteocytes. And osteoclast, C for class, C for cut. You can memorize it easily. So basically it will help in bone resorption. Now rapid phase, basically what happens, as we know that between the osteocyte and the osteoblast inside the bone, between the osteocyte and the osteoblast, there is a fluid that is called as bone fluid, in which calcium is present. Now what we have to do is blood के कैल्शियम लेवल को बढ़ाना है, बिकॉज पैराथायराइड हार्मोन विल एक्ट ऑन द बोन एंड ड्यू टू विच कैल्शियम लेवल इंक्रीजेज इन द ब्लड. तो क्या होगा, बेसिकली कैल्शियम लेवल बोन से ब्लड में जाएगा. कैसे जाएगा, व्हाट विल बी द प्रोसेस? द प्रोसेस इज वेरी सिंपल. The osteocyte and the osteoblast will form a system called as osteocytic membrane, and on that membrane there is a receptor for parathyroid hormone. Now as soon as the parathyroid hormone will enter into the bone, and that it attaches with the receptor of the osteocytic membrane, it will activate the osteocytic membrane, due to which the osteocytic membrane pumps the calcium, will transfer the calcium from the bone into the blood. Okay, दिस वॉज अ वेरी सिंपल प्रोसेस कि जैसे पैराथायराइड हार्मोन रिसेप्टर से अटैच होगा ऑस्टियोसाइटिक मेम्ब्रेन की, तो ऑस्टियोसाइटिक मेम्ब्रेन कैल्शियम लेवल को ब्लड में इंक्रीज़ करेगा. क्यों, कैसे? वो कैल्शियम को बोन से निकाल कर ब्लड में भेजता जाएगा. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट स्लो फेज. देयर इज अनदर सेल प्रेजेंट इन द बोन, लाइक आई सेड, ऑस्टियोक्लास्ट, एंड the point is the osteoclast do not consist of any receptor for parathyroid hormone. Now what happens if there is no receptor for parathyroid hormone? How it will activate? Basically it will activate by a signal, and that signal, the name of that signal is very important, and that name of the signal is rankle. So how it will activate? By a signal molecule called as rankle, and rankle is produced by osteocyte. Now the process is like that: when parathyroid hormone attaches with the osteocytic membrane, the osteocyte will perform the rapid phase, as well as that osteocyte will also release a signal called as rankle, and that rankle will activate the osteoclast. Okay, so remember this important point. Okay, now as soon as the osteoclast will activate, it will transfer the calcium from the bone into the blood. That means hypercalcemia. If there is an increased amount of calcium, there will be hypercalcemia, and if there is low amount of calcium, there will be hypocalcemia. But the point is that osteoclast perform the slow phase in the bone. Now what is the effect of parathyroid hormone on the kidney and intestine? In kidney, basically what happened, the parathyroid hormone decreases the calcium secretion and increases the phosphate secretion, whereas in intestine there will be increased level of both calcium as well as phosphate level. So remember this important point. And in short, if I summarize this whole topic, the parathyroid hormone will control calcium level and phosphate level. So this was the whole topic regarding parathyroid hormone, and this is very much important topic. Till that, work hard, study hard, and good luck. Bye bye. Thank you.